That's hectic.
It's a bit hectic here.
Look at the llama, cutie. See it?
Fupa balls clap. Fupa balls clap. All night long. Clap, clap, clap. Fupa balls clap. Fupa balls clap. All night long. Clap, 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 clap.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly.
What you gonna get, Mom? You're gonna, ow! You bite Mom! Don't bite Mom! No boys! That's not nice! Ow! You bite Mom! Babe! She's biting Mom. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. Yeah, she always bites me, just like playful bites, but... No, I'm not going on Lockout Live. Why do you bite? Ah! She's tonight's dinner? You gonna bite Mom? You gonna scratch Mom? You gonna bite Mom? Owie, bliss! You ugly idiot. Why you bite Mom? Why you bite Mom? I thought you loved Mom. You ugly idiot. Oh, they have like a... They're slimy and they have like a spine in the middle of their back. Oh wow, he's running away from me. It hit my finger. I think it did. I think it's gonna jump off. The manta ray bit my finger pretty hard. I was going like this. I think it thought it was a fish, so it jumped up. I felt something bite my finger. You might not be able to see, but there's like little bite marks on my finger. I didn't bleed, but I never got bit by a fish before. I guess that was the first time for everything. Harry, enough. No. No, Harry. Ow! Ow! I know you all love it when animals bite me. Hi! Chinchilla. Chinchilla. Is he gonna bite me? Ow!
Bite you?
Yes. I deserved it. Hi! You thought the cat was a monkey? Hello. I miss petting cat. Ow, it bit me. Don't bite me. I'm gonna get... It probably doesn't have a rabies shot. What? Whoa! It tried to eat me. You are the sweetest camel. You are the sweetest camel. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. They're like when I sing. Oh, don't puke on me. Oh! Okay, 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 okay. Oh, he kicked me! Oh my god! Oh my god. So, I went to leave, and he like blocked me, and I tried to get away again, and then he kicked me. He kicked me on my leg. It didn't hurt, but it was like, get out of here then. 1 minute loving, 1 minute kicking. That's the thing with camels. Are you a beezer?
Look how he's staring at you.
I know. He's a beezer. Hi.
Hello.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Are you gonna bite me?
Why you mean?
Are you gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? He wants to bite me. I'll let you keep walking because, you know, you're left behind now because of me. Oh!
Again, huh? Oh my god. Shit.
Yo. See you later. What are you doing?
How's your feeling, babe?
Well, I got some camel spit right in my eyeball, so.
Uh-oh.
I love orange cats. What about, did you see how they just showed up and like all looked and see? Okay, we're gonna get, oh, don't bite me, you little shit. Oh, we're gonna get you some food. Hi, can I pet you? Can I pet you? Ow! Oh! Ow! It won't let me pet it. Maybe because it's eating. I gotta go put hand sanitizer. What if I get... You're friggin' mean. I'm not petting that one. Remember this one. It scratched me. I guess they can't all be friendly. Don't get bit again. What? What? Oh my goodness. Ow! Oh, he bit my arm fat. Get out of here. Go away. Hey. Hey. Excuse me. He legit bit my arm fat. Like under here. Ow. It just needs love. She doesn't stink. You would take all these babies home? I know, I wish. Hi. You're so sweet. Oh, ow! Ow, it friggin' bit me. You bit me. Hey. Excuse me, do you have anything to say? You bit me. Don't bite. It's not nice. Hi. Hi. Don't bite my arm fat. What? What? Hi. Oh. Ow! Ow! Oh! He bit me. Like really hard. He bit me really hard. Oh. Oh my god. Look it. Oh. Why did he do that? Oh. That hurt. I'm gonna rinse it with water right now. What the fuck? Do I need to go to the hospital? I know you all love it when animals bite me.